हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय इंग्लिश क्लास। आई एम विकी भारद्वाज। आज हम क्लास 9 का मोमेंट बुक का चैप्टर वेदरिंग द स्टॉर्म इन इरसामा के क्वेश्चन आंसर करने जा रहे हैं। वेदरिंग द स्टॉर्म इन इरसामा की जो स्टोरी है मैंने आपसे पहले ही अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो लेक्चर में आपके साथ डिस्कस कर ली थी और इसका लिंक जो है मैंने इस वीडियो में डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दे दिया, आप वहाँ से इसे वॉच कर सकते हो। चलिए लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्वेश्चन आंसर ऑफ लेसन वेदरिंग द स्टॉर्म इन इरसामा। The first question is what havoc has the super cyclone wreaked in the life of the people of Orissa? जो इतना बड़ा जो है सुपर साइक्लोन उड़ीसा में आया था, तो उड़ीसा के जो लोगों की लाइफ में इसने क्या परेशानियां क्रिएट की थी, क्या तबाही की थी। क्योंकि ये जब आया था तो जो पुराने से पुराने बड़े से बड़े पेड़ थे वो भी जो है जड़ से उखड़ गए थे, मकान बह गए थे, सब जगह पानी पानी था। एनिमल्स और मैं आदमियों की जो है ह्यूमंस की डेड बॉडीज जो है पानी में तैर रही थी और चारों तरफ जो है एक डिस्ट्रक्शन का सीन था। There was a heavy rain with a fierce storm. The trees were uprooted and crashed to the earth. The water entered into the houses and washed away the most of the house. All things, many houses collapsed and lot of people died. The second question is, how has Prashant, a teenager, been able to help the people of his village? प्रशांत एक टीनेजर था, एक युवा लड़का था और किस तरह जो है उसने गांव के लोगों की सहायता करने में, वो है हेल्प करने में वो सक्सेसफुल रहा, किस तरह वो सफल रहा। क्योंकि जो है उसने प्रशांत ने जो है जब ये सारा डिस्ट्रक्शन देखा तो उसने जो है जो टीनेजर थे उनको ऑर्गेनाइज किया, यूथ्स को, एल्डर्स को ऑर्गेनाइज किया और जो है उसने जो है एक राइस मर्चेंट पे प्रेशराइज किया ताकि वो उन लोगों जो लोग थे जो बच गए थे उनको खाना खिला सके। और उसने जो है वॉलेंटियर्स को जो प्ले जहाँ पर वो रह रहे थे वहाँ का जो है जगह साफ करने के लिए कहा गया और प्रशांत ने एक टीम को ऑर्गेनाइज किया, वुमेन की टीम को, ताकि वो जो बच्चे हैं वो उनको, जो अनाथ बच्चे हैं वो वुमेन जो है उन्हें देख सके। Prashant was just 19 years old. He united a large number of orphan children. He put up a polythene sheets shelter for them. He organizes a group of youths and elders to make the merchant give them lives. They succeed in their mission. He asked the women of the village to look after the orphan children. He asked the children to lie on the sand with the utensils on their stomach. The helicopter saw them and threw the food items for them. Then he makes a can of youth volunteers to clean the shelter of filth, urine, vomit and floating carcasses. The third question is, how have the people of the community helped one another? What role do the women of Kalikunda play during these days? जो कम्युनिटी थी वो वहाँ के लोग जो है एक दूसरे के लोगों की हेल्प कैसे की और इसमें जो है कालीकुंडा की जो वुमेन थी उन्होंने क्या रोल प्ले किया। इसमें जो है लोगों ने जो है अपने आप को जो है एक ग्रुप में ऑर्गेनाइज किया और जो प्रशांत उनका जो है एज अ लीडर उसने वर्क किया और वुमेन्स ने जो है उस टीम के लिए ऑर्फन चिल्ड्रंस को संभाला, उनके लिए खाना बनाया और उनके लिए उनकी सारी चीज़ें जो वो किया करती थी। इस तरीके से उन्होंने एक दूसरे की हेल्प की। द पीपल ऑफ द कम्युनिटी शो अ ग्रेट cooperation. They joined hands with Prashant to drive out cleanliness campaign. They gathered together the orphan children. They built a temporary shelter for them. Man secured the food and materials for them. The women of Kalikunda looked after the orphan children. The fourth question is, What do Prashant and other volunteers resist the plan to set up institutions for orphans and widows? What alternatives do they consider? प्रशांत जो था और जो दूसरे वॉलेंटियर्स थे उन्होंने जो ऑर्फन्स थे और जो विडोज़ थी उनके लिए जो गवर्नमेंट ने इंस्टीट्यूशन स्टैब्लिश करने के लिए कहा था उनका विरोध क्यों किया था और वो क्यों ऐसा सोचते थे, क्यों किस लिए उन्होंने उसका विरोध किया था? क्योंकि वो सोचते थे कि भाई ऐसे संस्थाओं में, ऐसे इंस्टीट्यूशंस में जो है ऑर्फन लोग जो है, ऑर्फन बच्चे जो है बिना किसी प्यार के बड़े होंगे और जो विधवाएं हैं वो अकेलेपन से पीड़ित होंगे और इसका कलंक भी जो है, उनका स्टिग्मा भी है जो है उनके पूरी ज़िंदगी उनके साथ लगा रहेगा। इसलिए वो चाहते थे कि वो अपनी ही कम्युनिटी में जो है विडोज और वो उन बच्चों का पालन पोषण करें। द गवर्नमेंट प्लान्स टू सेट अप इंस्टीट्यूशंस फॉर ऑर्फन्स एंड विडोज। Prashant and other volunteers resist this plan. They think that in such institutions the children will grow up without any love. Women will suffer from stigma. Stigma means kalank and loneliness. They suggest that should be resettled in their own community. The fifth question is, do you think Prashant is a good leader? क्या आप सोचते हो कि प्रशांत एक अच्छा लीडर था? डू यू थिंक यंग पीपल कैन गेट टुगेदर टू हेल्प ड्यूरिंग नेचुरल कैलामिटीज? क्या आपके विचार से जो यंग लोग होते हैं वो इकट्ठे होकर जो है किसी भी नेचुरल डिज़ास्टर में सहायता कर सकते हैं, हेल्प कर सकते हैं? ये बात कंफर्म है कि प्रशांत जो है एक वाकई में एक अच्छा लीडर था और उसने बिल्कुल सेल्फलेसली काम किया था और वह दूसरों के जो है दुख और शोक में भी उनकी हेल्प की थी। उसने टीम को ऑर्गेनाइज किया, दूसरों की हेल्प की। तो जो यंगस्टर्स हैं वो प्रशांत से एक एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं और वो इकट्ठे हो सकते हैं कि किसी भी तरह की अगर नेचुरल कैलामिटीज आती है, कोई भी नेचुरल डिजास्टर आता है तो इसके टाइम जो है वो लोगों की हेल्प कर सकते हैं। नो डाउट प्रशांत इज अ गुड लीडर. He has an optimist view about life. He organizes both young and elder people to face the cyclone and to get the rice from merchant. He makes team that provide help to strong victims. He inspires women to look after the orphan and start working in the food for work programs. He successfully protests against the plan of setting up institutions for the orphans and widows. I think young people can get together, help people during the natural calamities and play an important role. The some additional questions are, where were the Prashant and his friend's family lived during the 2 days of the super cyclone? प्रशांत और उसके फ्रेंड की फैमिली 2 दिनों तक कहाँ पर रहे एंड वेयर डिड दे गेट देयर फूड फ्रॉम? और उन्होंने खाना उन्हें कहाँ से मिला? प्रशांत और उसके फ्रेंड की फैमिली जो है 2 दिन तक जो है घर की छत पर फंसे रहे और क्योंकि रेन वाटर जो है उनके घर में घुस गया था और जो उनके कोकोनट ट्रीज थे उनके घर की छत पर जो है गिर गए थे और उस पेड़ में जो है रॉ कोकोनट्स लगे थे जो उन्होंने खाकर 2 दिन उन्होंने गुजारा किया। Prashant and his friend's family remained on the roof of the house of his friend because rainwater entering the house during the super cyclone. 2 coconut trees had fallen on the roof of the house. Prashant and his friend's family lived on them. They got their food from tender coconuts. The next question is, why was it difficult for Prashant to travel back to his village? प्रशांत के लिए वापस अपने विलेज जाना क्यों डिफ़िकल्ट था? क्योंकि अब जो है क्योंकि सारी जगह जो है पानी भर चुका था, रास्तों का कुछ पता नहीं लग रहा था, कहाँ पर गड्ढा है, कहाँ पर जो है रोड बना हुआ है, सब जो है डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुका था। इस वजह से उसे वापस जाना जो है बहुत ज़्यादा डिफ़िकल्ट हो गया था। There was water everywhere. He had to use his stick to locate the road. At some places, it was very steep and the progress was slow. Sometimes he lost the road and had to swim. After some distance, he found two friends of his uncle. They decided to move ahead together. They had to push away many human bodies floating on the water. The third question is, his heart went cold. उसका जो दिल जो था बिल्कुल ठंडा हो गया था. When he reached the village, जब वो अपने गांव पहुंचा तो उसका दिल जो है एकदम ठंडा हो गया. Why? क्यों? At last, Prashant reached his village, Kalikunda. His heart sank. His house was gone. His family was nowhere. In order to look for his family, Prashant went to the Red Cross shelter. Fortunately, his family was alive. They were very glad to see Prashant. He came to know that 86 lives were lost in his village and all the 96 houses had been washed away. The fourth question is, how did the village make the helicopters crop regular quantities of food? Prashant and other people made a plan to attract the attention of the helicopters. They depicted children to lie there with empty utensils on their stomach. They was done to communicate to the helicopter that they were hungry. The scheme worked and the helicopter started food regularly. The fifth question is, where is Irsama situated and was the name of Prashant village? Irsama कहाँ पर स्थित था और जो है प्रशांत के गांव का नाम क्या था? Irsama is situated just 18 kilometers away from the Prashant's village. The name of the Prashant village is Kalikunda. Why could not Prashant forget his journey to his home? प्रशांत अपने ये क्यों कहता है कि वो इस जर्नी को कभी भी नहीं भूलेगा? Prashant was worried about his village when he was going to his village. He saw that there was water and water everywhere. He saw many dead bodies of human beings and animals. There was a scene of total destruction everywhere. That's why he could not forget his journey. How did Coconut help Prashant and his friend? Isama was a hard hit by a super cyclone. The house of the Prashant's friends was filled with water. They had to saw themselves by sitting at the roof of the house. One coconut tree fell on the roof. Prashant and his friends had neither food nor water. Coconut of the tree helped them from starving. Describe the destruction caused by the super cyclone as the narrator told in the story. जो नरेटर ने स्टोरी में सुपर साइक्लोन के जो की वजह से होने वाली तबाही को डिस्क्राइब करो. On 27th October 1999, Prashant went to meet to his friend who lived in Irsama. The place was 18 kilometers from his village. In the evening, a super cyclone came. Wind beat against the houses with great force. There was heavy and continuous rain. Houses and people were washed away in the flood. His friend's house was made up of bricks and cement. It was strong enough to survive at the wind blowing 350 km per hour. But one uprooted tree fell on their house and damaged some part of its roof and walls. To escape the water rising in the house, Prashant and his friend's family took refuge on the house. For the next 2 days, Prashant pulled his house family on the rooftop. They froze in cold and rain. In the early morning, Prashant saw destruction caused by super cyclone. There was a sheet of water everywhere. Only parts of the cemented houses were still visible. All other houses had been washed away. Even huge tree had fallen. Bloated dead bodies of the animals and human beings were floating everywhere. Describe how Prashant helped himself and others at the time of natural calamity. The cyclone caused a lot of damage in Prashant's village and surrounding areas. Prashant decided to help his own family and others. He organized a group of youths. He pressurized the local merchant to give rice for the starving villagers. They burnt a fire and cooked the rice although it was rotting. His next step was to clean the place of filth, dirt, urine, and floating dead bodies. They tended the wounds and fracture of many who had even injured. On the fifth day, a military helicopter dropped food packets, but it did not return. Prashant and others whizzed a plan to attract the attention of the helicopter. They deputed children to lie there with empty utensils on their stomach. This was done to communicate to helicopter that they were hungry. The scheme worked and the helicopter started dropping food regularly. Prashant bought the orphaned children and made a shelter for them. He asked the women to look after them, but he found that women and children were sinking deeper and deeper in their grief. A non-government organization has started a food for work program. Prashant presented them to join it. He embraced other volunteers to help widows start their lives again. The orphan children and the widows were resettled in their own community.